Welcome to Gateway. Gateway is your digital workspace here at Park Street, and it's powered by a platform called Happeo, an intuitive system that makes it easy for all our teams and departments to connect and collaborate. So think of Gateway as your digital living room where you can share announcements and interact, much like a social media platform. In this video, we'll quickly walk through how to log in, what you can find on the homepage, how to use channels to connect, and how to navigate using the People, Launcher, and Notifications tabs. You have two easy ways to access Gateway. You can go directly to the web address, which is app.happeo.com, or you can click the 9-dot Google Suite menu in your Chrome browser and find the Happeo icon, which looks like a green leaf. Once the sign-in page loads, simply select your Park Street Google account and enter your password if you're prompted. When you log in, you'll land right here on the homepage, and this is your personal dashboard that summarizes all the most important updates and tools you need. The core of this page is your newsfeed, showing the most recent announcements from all the channels and pages you follow. This is where you'll see the latest trainings, HR updates, and IT announcements. Down the side, you'll also find quick access to things like quick links, important shared files, your calendar view, and Park Street University updates. Because this page collects all the essential information, we strongly recommend reviewing this feed daily to make sure you stay up to date with the latest news. Next, let's talk about channels, which are your team and department communication hubs. Clicking on the Channels tab at the top will show you a list of all the ones you currently belong to. For instance, you can click on training and development announcements to see new course releases, or you can quickly jump to a channel by clicking on any of its posts that appear in your homepage newsfeed. Once you're in a channel, you'll see all the posts and articles with the newest ones always right at the top. And you can click an article to view its contents. So just like social media platforms, we encourage you to leave comments and reactions on posts you like or are curious about. This is a great way to interact with colleagues, and it actually helps department leaders know what kind of content resonates most with you. Also, if you see a Mark as Read button, please click it once you're done, because this action contributes to Gateway's analytics, which ultimately helps us create a better user experience for everyone. Now, let's quickly cover the other tabs you see at the top of the screen, starting with People. This tab houses all employee information, including personal profiles, job titles, and contact info. To start searching, just click People and use the search bar to find anyone. You can also filter results by department or job title and click the organizational chart button on the top right to view your team structure. Click any profile to view their detailed work information, including their general info and calendar. Next, the Launcher is your quick access hub. Click this tab and you'll see a shortcut list to all the common tools and apps Park Street teams use every day, making it your one-stop shop for everything you need. Finally, the Notifications tab shows you the latest news and updates from across Gateway. You can use the filters to view only unread items or focus specifically on announcements or when you've been mentioned. For even more control, click the vertical ellipses in the top right to access your notification settings. Here you can customize how you receive notifications overall. And importantly, you can set a specific priority level for each channel you belong to. Just be sure to read the descriptions carefully to ensure you stay updated on the most relevant news. We hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Gateway. If you have any questions, simply reach out to us at training@parkstreet.com. Thanks for watching.